Here is the sound of the exhaust afterwards, after putting the MBRP exhaust on. I don't have anything to stand my phone up on, but I will put it right at the exhaust so you can hear. Also, it's already been cold starting, so there's no cold start. Exhaust splash on my phone. That is the exhaust. I'll get one going down the road too. All right, let's get going on the road here. Later on, I'll get a video outside of the cab. I think everybody on the street's gonna be a little happier because it's not going all the time. I'll put it in sport when we get on the road so we can actually get a full sound test. So it does go a little higher in RPMs when you put it in a shift mode. It's still got that same oomph and same bass. I can actually have a conversation within the cab now. The real point of muffler deleting on my truck was I wanted to hear how it fucking sounded, and as usual, it sounds garbage, and there was a lot of droning within the cab. So, let me put it in second. I'm going to get a car wash anyways, so. I went for more of the quieter exhaust than I did than what I could have. I've got an inspection next month. I just don't want to risk them be like, nope, because then I got to do the research and go find another place. I'm not saying I'm lazy, but like I don't got the time to go look for another inspection place. So it definitely, you can't, I don't know. A lot of people say it sounds like shit in the cab. I actually preferred the droning, although I really couldn't hear what I was thinking about in my head when it was droning in here. I like it, because it's still got that oomph, and it still pops a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that one. But it sounds good. Let me know what y'all think. All right, we're gonna go under a bridge, so let's see. There's also a cop over there, so gotta be careful. Now I'm gonna miss having the muffler delete and no exhaust. I liked having the